It's the pure joy of being able to manipulate metal, change its shape and its form under heat. Being able to create something out of nothing is absolutely fantastic. When we did the ram's head, we took a piece of 16mm square steel bar. Then it was a case of putting hot cutting up in the middle of that flattened piece, which then produced the two boards, and then what we then drew those out on the anvil. We work very traditionally in this shop in terms of we use coke as our fuel. The beauty of that is that we can work a number of different temperature ranges and localise the heat on the material. We cannot with gas get the welding heats that we can with coke. I then cut it halfway through the bar, folded that back, and now I've brought the temperature right up to around 1280, so this is almost melting point. Brought it onto the anvil, and then I gave it 3 solid blows. That is the point at which the material fuses together. That's where that join was. You know, when I cut it and then folded it back, that's where that join is, so it's just one piece of material now. That then produced the head of the ram, and then it was a case of just using simple punches and dies to form the mouth, the nostrils and the eyes. Twisted up the drawn out ram's boards and turn them into a ram's head. After we'd formed the ram's head, we went on to the other end of the bar. We drew out the bar, flattened it. Then I used a hot set under the power hammer, and I just split the material. And then again, I drew out the tangs, which become the points of the fork itself. The power hammer is probably my favourite piece of equipment in the forge. It's immensely powerful, immensely strong. It moves metal so quickly under heat, and it's just an absolute joy to use. And everything we make on the fire involves one or a number of 6 forging techniques. It's just how you use them, how you put them together to form a piece. And that's the beauty of the ram's head. It's a great little project, it's a great little forging technique. What I'll end up doing is if I carry on as I'll fuck it up. The last job we did was twisting, which is a little bit like bending really, but we just put a simple twist in the square shank of the bar to add a little bit of intrigue, to make you want to pick it up and touch it.
Absurd and love her, so I do. Moving over by my side, take a chance and be my bride. Moving over by my side, I said love her, so I do.
The creative side of this is probably the biggest thing for me, being able to take a raw piece of bar, steel, iron and turning it into something creative. And that's what gives me my passion. I'm very passionate about what I do, and that's why.